Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix sniping tool not working or opening on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix sniping tool not opening or working on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Apps. Now click on Install Apps. In search, type Sniping Tool. Click on three dot icon on Sniping Tool. And then click on Advanced Options. Now scroll down. Here you will find Reset. And if this app is not working right, we can try to repair it and the app's data would not be affected. Click on Repair. The sniping tool is repairing right now. Hope it will solve your issue. If the problem is still continuing, you can repair. If this app still is not working right, reset it and this app's data will be deleted. Click on Reset and then click on Reset again. Reset continuing. Reset has been finished. Hope this will solve your issue. If your issue is still continuing, you can uninstall sniping tool from here, and then after uninstalling, close settings and then go to search. In search, type store and then click on Microsoft Store. Here in Microsoft Store, go to search and type sniping tool, and here you will find sniping tool add, and here in my case sniping tool is installed, and you can, if you uninstall the sniping tool, you will find here the install button and click here to install it, and then it will download and install to your computer, and this will fix your issue permanently. This is the easiest way to fix sniping tool not working or opening in Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.